Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. I know what you're asking yourself, Natalie, why are you sitting in a canoe in the middle of a lake with your makeup bag? Well, let me tell you why. So, it is because I am doing for you. I am bringing to you the first ever Natalie Moskorisin's channel. I'm like literally like going like the woo with my butt, like trying to balance this so I don't flip over. And because I don't care about myself at all, I really just care about this makeup bag. But I am bringing to you the first ever Natalie Moskorisin's channel makeup challenge. Woo! And I thought I would go all out with it rather than doing one of those boring makeup challenges like put my makeup on without a mirror. No. I'm gonna put my makeup on without a mirror in the middle of a lake in another state in a kayak. Woo! Had to be extreme. I always have to do a little like extra, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. And you know what? Honestly, I never put my makeup on without a mirror before, so this is like a real first for me here, just everything we're doing. And my friend's over there balancing with the camera, because of course I didn't bring a camera stand, so we're gonna just get this going so he doesn't have to balance forever. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna start with eyebrows first. If I could find my freaking there it is, Kat Von D eyebrow crap. So I have my Kat Von D eyebrow brush, and I'm not even, you know, I didn't even make it easy on myself and be like, hey, you know what? I'm in the middle of a lake with no mirror. Maybe I should use an eyebrow pencil. No, I'm gonna draw them bitches on. Okay, so I guess what I'm gonna do is just like try to fill my eyebrows. So that's an eyebrow. No point in brushing them, it's gonna turn out like crap no matter what. Alright, so this is literally gonna be so bad, I just can't even. Okay, that looks like that would be an eyebrow. No point in carving them out today, huh guys? Alright. Am I allowed to cheat and like use a reflection? No, I'm not gonna cheat. This is an extreme challenge. No cheating in extreme challenges. Here's my other eyebrow. Should I just leave them like that? No. I'm gonna really draw them in how I normally would. You know what? I'm cheating. I need to draw exact lines how I normally would. Are you looking at me like I'm crazy because there's people on a boat, or because I'm crazy?
Because there's about to be waves.
Oh, there's about to be waves. What's gonna happen? Am I gonna tip over?
You're gonna need to balance yourself.
I'm gonna what?
You're gonna need to balance yourself.
Oh, that's okay. Maybe
it won't be too bad, but it'll be...
If I tip over, I'm throwing the makeup bag.
Okay.
And I'm going under. Alright, so I feel like we probably have some form of eyebrows on my face right now. Sure, I got the other one on there. Alright. Woo! Bug went in my ear. Alright, so I've got eyebrows. Next. Oh, we better moisturize, alright, huh? This isn't really Tachka, this is Clinique in my Tachka thing. I just wanted to take it because it was itty bitty. Oh my gosh, I have the worst pimple on my nose. It hurts so bad from my retinol. Oh my god, like so freaking bad. I'm not even, I already like covered it up and I'm sure you can still see it. Like, and I have this terrible rat. Like, okay, anyone who has a tattoo, he said it was from like ingrown hairs. It never happened until my last session and then this session. My arm is covered and they hurt like, oh, I just don't know what's going on. It hurts so bad. Okay, so I got that down. Better put my primer down. Prep priming spray, there we go. Ready to go. I better put my concealer on my eyelids so my eyeshadow stays, because I'm sure it's going to look great. I'm sure I'm going to want it on all day. Let's just wipe that on with the fingers at this point, you know, why not? Alright, we got that. We got a nice base down. And then we'll put some pretty eyeshadow colors on my lids. It's so cold out here. You guys better be happy I'm dedicated. Let's start out with this green. We're going to use my Zulu palette. And I'm going to just like kind of, you know, put that all over the lids. This is so strange. I'm typing in to see if anyone else ever did their makeup in a kayak or see if I started the challenge. So then I'm going to want to darken the outer corners. Okay, darken the outer corners. I'm not putting lashes on because, you know what, I'm just not. I'll put some mascara on for you guys, but not lashes. I'm not doing it. Okay. And then I'm going to darken it even more with some brown. This is harder than I thought. The No Mirror Makeup Challenge. And then, whatever. I'm going to use my fingers to apply this to my lids. Alright, we got that done. Next, we're going to put some foundation on. Oh, we can just use prep spray, as I forgot I have this with me. So, this is my first time using my NYX sponge, which honestly, I don't want to use this today for the first time. Well, I guess I really don't have a choice, huh? So, we will be using it. So I'm going to spray my sponge with my primer. Okay. And I'm going to use my Makeup Forever since we're going for a light look today. Side all done. Might as well just go like that, huh? At this point. Gotta get this side all nicely covered. Need to cover the forehead all up. Don't want a bare forehead. Uh-oh, I probably wiped my eyebrows off. I forgot about them. Okay, so we have that all done. Now we need to highlight. Time to highlight. So, that'll highlight there. That'll highlight there. That'll highlight everywhere. That was a rhyme. Okay. Oh, I better put some shadow on the under eye, guys. We don't want it to be naked. You know, I usually just use my excess. So that's what I'll do today. Just use my excess. Okay, we got that. Next, I'll put on some mascara since we're not doing lashes. Oh, the sun is a little bright. This is hard. This is really hard. This is the hardest part yet. Oh my god, the sun. Gotta put some on the under eye. Ah. sure this is gonna look so beautiful. Okay, whatever. That's all the mascara you're getting out of me. I keep feeling like I hear somebody. Should we put on, I'm not even touching the NARS lip paint because like I don't know if I got makeup remover and like I ain't trying to get that stuck on me all day. So this nice holographic will look great with eyeshadow actually, right? Okay, so we got that. Next, we're on to the contour. So I'm just going to use my butter bronzer. We are going to be using this to contour. Some high-ash cheekbones. Gotta bring that forehead down, people. And then I'll just like, this can be my bronzer too. So there we go. We got some bronzer on. We got some contour on. Perfect. Beach Rose blush. Perfect for being at the beach. So here we go. Okay, we got that. And then last but not least, our favorite. Oh wait, maybe I should spray some MAC Fix on me. And then, which highlight color should I use? Maybe we should do something subtle since I don't know what my face looks like. I thought I was gonna touch the Kayak or whatever this is. Ugh, that would have been gross. Okay, so I brought my homemade MAC Fix Plus with the shimmery stuff in it that I made. Spray that. Just pretty much because I'm trying to get rid of it. Because I have too many of them laying around. Oh, I feel like gold shimmer came out today, way more than usual. Maybe you'll be able to see it because like we're in the daylight for once. And then I'm just going to put some highlight on the high points of my face. You gotta put a lot. Just like I would in a normal video. Oh, there's bugs.
Yeah, I'm being eaten alive.
What?
I said, yeah, I'm being eaten alive.
Alright, I believe we're done. Ooh, how beautiful do I look? I'm like literally so excited to see this. Because I've never done my makeup without a camera. Huh. Or I mean like, you know what I mean, a mirror, that's what it's called. So yeah, I mean obviously the shadow and the brows are screwed, like I already know that, but like the rest I'm like, heh. But I didn't really put that much effort because like once you realize your eyes are messed up, you're like, ah. I gotta learn how to not swear on YouTube. So anyway, yeah, I challenge everybody else to totally go find a kayak, and you have to float. You can't just sit in a kayak, you have to float in a kayak. So I challenge everybody to go find a kayak, float in it, and do your makeup without a mirror. And I want to see the next person to do it, and you better tag me in it. So yeah, this is my challenge. You guys know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, head to the Insta and check out my makeup giveaway, and let me know what you want to see as next month's giveaway in the comment section down below, and just leave me some comments and say hey, and yeah, let me know what you thought of this video, and if you like it, maybe we could do some more challenges. They gotta be extreme, so let me know some extreme ones, and DM them to me because I want them to be secrets. I don't want everyone else to see them. I want them to DM to me, so they're secrets. Alright, okay, that's it. Love you guys, bye!
Okay, so I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh, look at this. So I am just like, at least I got my highlight kind of like, my cheeks don't look too bad. Hey, I got cheekbones. My eyebrows, like, oh my gosh. Honestly, I thought I was gonna do so bad for some reason. I thought I was gonna look and the makeup wasn't even gonna be like in the right places, which that doesn't make sense. So I looked and I was like, oh, everything's in the right spot. Like, as terrible. No, I'm not even gonna go there. I'm like, it's just crazy to think about like makeup progression, because like this is so bad, and I feel like I've legit seen like real life people out and about like looking like this, right? Like, I'm not that far off. The kids are sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. Oh my god, I was like, look at this pimple I have. It was a glob of lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna go.